In this video, I'll be cleaning out my closet, and you can do this with me too. Okay, so the first start, what I always do is to take out everything. I'll buy shirts, sweaters, hoodies, and all those stuff, and dresses. Okay, so basically my main goal, I always tell myself when I'm doing these cleanouts, is that like the clothes that doesn't fit you, the clothes that doesn't look good on you anymore, or the clothes that you're not into, so you're trying to find a new style for you. So not all the clothes that I'm keeping. I know it's not a big deal because I have been doing these a lot of times in this time of being home and all that stuff, but I'm not sure about that shirt, so I'm putting the maybe side. So yeah, I also recommend for you having a mirror in front of you or beside you, or any chance you have a mirror that you can see yourself looking at your clothes. And you can also try on your clothes no matter what it takes you how long, because you know we have plenty of times now. So basically, yeah. Also, if you have any clothes that you don't like, or you know it's not your type, you can give it to your younger siblings. You can sell it by using Poshmark or any app that you can use by selling. You can also like donate it, or anything that you want to give it away, or just get rid of it. Disclaimer, these are not all my shirts, there's some in the laundry. I will be moving on to this section. So I kept this, and I'm giving these two flannels away. For this section, I didn't record it, but I am going to keep all of this, but I am going to give away this. I'm going to be moving on to the jeans, and you can see it's like really collapsed, and I still have like, I think I have more jeans, but I'm going to try to fit all of them now. I'm going to give away these 4 pants. So I have more space for my jeans, and it doesn't crumble up anymore. These are my pajamas, and I don't really care about my pajamas, but I'm just going to make it organized, so see when it's done. So actually I'm going to be selling this because it doesn't fit me anymore. This is going to be my next category. So this is how it looks. Unfortunately, I didn't give away nothing, but it's fine because I like all of the clothes that I have in here.